Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Delonghi Perfecta Cappuccino Touch Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was having ground to fine error and it was caused by this pump from 2013. I was not able to push water into the system as it was, and the machine was detecting that as an error and it was giving the ground to fine error. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this machine. We have this grind setting at the medium setting right now. And we're gonna be testing also as well the water. Infusion and now extraction. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color forming at the bottom of the cup, and really good crema forming at the top as well. Good shot of espresso. You can see the color of the coffee. Looking great. And without the ground to fine error. And for the hot water, the machine needs to prepare a little bit once it starts dispensing water. But as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the hot water spout. Excellent temperature, working great. And there you have it, the Delonghi Perfecta Cappuccino Touch, working once again without the ground to fine error. So thank you so much for repairing the Can Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.